For the last month here on NFL Slimetime, we've been introducing you to all of the nominees for this season's NFL Latino Youth Honors, presented by Procter & Gamble in partnership with the Hispanic Heritage Foundation.
The program highlighted Latino excellence for high school seniors on and off the football field. Last week, they announced their winners at the Super Bowl.
From the moment the 8 nominees arrived in the Big Easy, they were in store for the week of their lives.
Welcome, all of you, officially to Super Bowl, to New Orleans.
First up, an experience like no other at the NFL Super Bowl Experience.
Then it was red carpet time at the prestigious NFL Honors. Talk about an arrival.
It means a lot just to be out here and representing for all of the Latino community. Once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I'm really blessed to be here.
Less than 24 hours later, the leaders of today got to meet the leaders of tomorrow at the NFL Latino Youth Honors mentorship sessions.
Being an athlete is so important to my identity, but at the forefront has always been my academics. And that's always been important to me because that's kind of like my passion and like what I want to do in the future.
I think that everyone's path is different. If sports is a vehicle for you to then achieve what you want and open doors for you on the academic side, that's amazing.
And when the professional guidance and development discussion concluded, it was time to celebrate. All 8 nominees and their families gathered for the NFL Latino Youth Honors Dinner Gala in partnership with Nationwide.
Thank you very much, NFL and mi hermana Marisa Solis, for including us in such an American moment and making it clear that as Latinos, we're as much a part of the American landscape as football is.
You guys are incredible young leaders. You represent the future of our game, the future of our communities, and really the future of our culture.
You guys take the courage and ambition that you guys have to create those opportunities to celebrate your heritage, to shape your professional journeys, and create your own legacies.
Months ago, 32 clubs put forward 59 names to be considered, and 8 students are here with us tonight. Okay.
Each nominee was recognized for their academic and athletic achievements, but only 2 would be recognized as national winners.
And NFL Slimetime congratulates Sophie Guitron from Redondo Beach, California, and Mariano Telementes from Racine, Wisconsin. Both Sophie and Mariano will be awarded a $25,000 grant that can be used for college.
We salute all 8 nominees for celebrating Latino excellence and say thank you for their dedication to the game of football.